How to turn off Bitmojis in notification on your Snapchat account. Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first as usually and you open Snapchat. Then as you see when Snapchat is opening, you go and open your profile. Then you go to this option, settings, and click. Then you go to notifications as you see here. Then you click. Then go to Bitmoji in notification and you will turn off this option by clicking here on this blue option like that, and that's it. So we are in the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.